Namaskar, I am Devanshu and I am your yoga instructor at Cottage Nirvana. Yoga is recommended for diabetes management because there are certain postures in yoga that help in reducing the blood sugar levels and helps in better circulation. Preparing to do the king of all asanas, Shirshasana or the headstand. This requires caution and a lot of practice. You may hold the pose for 8 to 10 breaths, deep breaths, giving your body a little good stretch. We begin with Sarvangasana or the shoulder stand. You may hold this up to a minute or even 30 seconds as long as you're comfortable and it comes easy. From Sarvangasana, we take our feet back and touch the ground if we can to Halasana or the plow pose. Hold it for about 30 seconds or to a minute as long as you're comfortable and you're feeling easy. As you breathe out, slowly and gradually take your feet up. Very slowly, put them down and relax in Shavasana. Now we will do Paschimottanasana or seated forward bend. Exhale, come down gradually. Stretching forward, try and take your forehead to the knee. Hold it there for as long as you're comfortable and breathing easy. A great posture to combat diabetes. Let's exhale, come up, take it easy. Now we are going to practice Urdhva Mukha Svanasana or the upward facing dog. Stay in this position for 5 or 6 breaths. Be in a comfortable pose Breathing easy. And relax. Now we will get into the bow pose or the Dhanurasana. You could stay in this pose for good 4 or 5 breaths, or as long as you're comfortable, breathing easy. Give yourself a good stretch. We now practice Ardha Matsyendrasana or half Lord of the Fishes pose. Keep your spine as straight as possible, sitting on both the tailbones. Stay there for 4 or 5 breaths or 30 seconds. Give yourself a good stretch and be comfortable and easy. Same with the other feet. Back erect, sitting on both the tailbones. Give yourself a good stretch, nice and easy, for 4 to 5 breaths or so. This may look easy, but it actually is one of the most important asanas in the practice. Shavasana or the corpse pose. Every practice of yoga should be followed by this asana for at least 5 to 10 minutes for the benefits of each asana to soak in. Just a word of caution, these yoga postures should be practiced in the presence of a certified yoga instructor, or you may also consult a doctor before you start practicing yoga. Do the yoga postures regularly without fail. Don't be in a hurry to get into the final position. Remember, you get to the final position easily and slowly, and then finally when you're able to accomplish it, you will find yourself that there are so many possibilities that lie before you. So come to Cottage Nirvana, let's get healthy together, let's have a greater and a more wonderful